Welcome to Virtual Gardening 101. This is the place where we dig into the digital soil and reap real results. I want to thank everyone who has been supporting the channel consistently. If you're viewing for the first time, thank you for stopping by. The plant in focus today is a beautiful flowering succulent from the Crassula family. Stick around, I'm sure you're going to learn something from this feature. Meet Kalanchoe, better known as Flaming Katy, Christmas Kalanchoe, or Windows Thrill. This vibrant flowering succulent has captured the hearts of gardeners and flowers enthusiasts like myself worldwide. Today we are trying to find out why it's such a cherished houseplant. Native to the tropical island of Madagascar, this plant is part of the Crassulaceae family and is beloved for its stunning, long-lasting blooms and easy care. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a beginner, Flaming Katy brings cheer and color to any space. Let's start with the basics. Scientifically known as Kalanchoe bluesfeldiana, this succulent perennial grows to a compact size of 6 to 12 inches in height and width, with its glossy, dark green leaves and scallop edges, which are designed to store water, making it drought tolerant. But the real showstopper, those vibrant flowers that bloom in dense clusters, available in nearly every color in the rainbow. Flaming Katy isn't just a plant, it's a symbol of warmth and positivity, often gifted during the Christmas season for Valentine's Day or other celebrations. This cheerful plant is a favorite in feng shui for bringing good fortune and harmony into homes. Let's look at how you should care for it, and it's very simple. As said before, it's like a succulent and so it's low maintenance. It should be planted in bright, indirect sunlight or partial shade. Let me note, however, that the ones I have here are planted outdoors in full sun, and that is why the leaves have this color. It's like a tan because it gets very hot and sunny during this time of the year when we get little or no rainfall. And I think it's just a plant mechanism of coping with these environmental conditions. Watering, you're going to allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. That is if you have it planted in a pot. And I hardly ever water the ones I have here because they are planted outdoors in the garden. Please don't make the same mistake, however, the ones you have in pots because they will die. Soil type, you're going to use well-draining sandy soil that is best suited for growing cacti or cactus. Temperature ranges from 15 to 29 degrees Celsius or 60 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is pretty much the kind of temperature that we experience here in Manchester, Jamaica during the winter season. Humidity, low to moderate levels work best for this plant. On a special note, Kalanchoe bluesfeldiana is a photoperiodic plant, which means it needs at least 14 to 16 hours of darkness to bloom. And that is why growers often time its flowers for the holiday season, so you can manipulate the plant in order to get the blooms going. Unfortunately, the ones I have usually bloom after the holiday would have passed, so sometime in the middle of January thereabout. If the plants you have bloom before, you can let me know in the comment section. And so, with so many hybrids offering diverse floral colors and forms, there's a Flaming Katy for everyone. So there you have it, the story of Kalanchoe bluesfeldiana, the Flaming Katy, a plant that's not just beautiful, but also resilient and easy to care for. Whether you're looking to brighten your home or gift a splash of color to someone special, Flaming Katy is a perfect choice. If you want to expand your stock, propagation is super easy. Just simply take a few mature leaf or stem cuttings and plant them in a well-draining soil mix or coarse sand. Put them in a shaded location that is free from slugs and snails because these seem to be the major pests that affect the plant. You're going to water sparingly because too much water can cause them to rot. And in no time, with the proper care and or attention, you'll have lots of plants to enjoy and also to share with your neighbor. If you've watched the feature up to this point and found it interesting, please go ahead and hit the like button, leave a comment, and if you have not yet subscribed, feel free to do so and turn on the post notification. That way, you'll be alerted whenever I upload. I'd love to have you as a member of the Virtual Gardening 101 family. And stay tuned for more interesting features like this one.